We're sitting here next to this amazing KOMOS stainless outdoor kegerator, and if you're looking to serve commercial beer at home, we have a simple video on how to do it. This episode is brought to you by the American Homebrewers Association. Join the American Homebrewers Association for 1 year and get a free brewing book of your choice. Pour through more than 60 titles written by expert brewers, ranging from beer styles and techniques to recipe design to find one perfect for you. Visit homebrewersassociation.org/morebeer to join the American Homebrewers Association and treat your shelf to a new brewing book. Check out homebrewersassociation.org/morebeer for offer details. Cheers. I don't know what to do with my hand. I punch on cheers. Cheers. All right, so you got a commercial beer setup and you want to tap your first keg. It's a lot easier than you think. This is your tap. The key features on here are when you plunge this down, this is what taps the actual keg. So we want this in the up position to start with. This is where the gas comes in, and this is where the beer comes out. This is simply a PRV to vent any extra pressure in the keg. So let's tap a keg. First, we're gonna bring our line into the gas side. So we push it in to the side, and you can see this goes back to the CO2 tank. Turn that on. Then we're gonna grab one of our beer lines and we're gonna put that on the beer side and we're gonna push that in until it locks out. Then we're gonna grab our sanke keg, nice and simple, pull the cover off. You can see where this is going to go in. All right, so we are going to come, notice that the handle's up. We are gonna twist until it locks. Give it a nice firm till it locks, then push down, click in till it satisfyingly locks. Pull the PRV to vent any excess head pressure. Close up your kegerator, grab a glass. Now it's time to get some beer. Anytime you're doing a first pour, you never know what you're gonna get. If it's under extra pressure and you didn't have a PRV, which is pretty common, might spit, might go out a little bit, but let's give it a try. And we got good amount of foam. Yeah! All right, so let's pour this beer. Check it out. Vito, something's wrong with this beer. It's coming out green. Just kidding. This is a matcha beer he brewed up at Heretic Brewing. Pretty cool color. I think we should do this for St. Patrick's Day. So that's it. That's how easy it is to serve a commercial beer at home. To find all the products we used in this video, see the links below.
Thanks for watching and make sure you subscribe. See you next time.